at the toy section. Let's go in. Starting off here, where's like the games and babies and Nola. Oh, they have some fashions. Oh, I have to be quite quick. There's some Monster Highs here. Random dolls. Ooh. My favorite. How does this work again? Oh God. Ooh, I might come back. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at this. There's twosies, but I'm pretty sure they're all out. There's some zooms there. Oh, there's some sets there. Oh, more twosies up there. Nom noms. Happy Places stuff? Yes, okay. Ooh, no more blind boxes though. It's sad. I'm gonna have to get a hunt for that because I want those. Oh, they have the bedroom. I'm gonna have to come back. Oh, and they have the bathroom and the kitchen. Oh, that's so good. Right, I think. Oh, there's some AG doll stuff. There's a little like random set, coat, and some Lego. Well, that's it. Bye guys.